Assalamu alaikum, this is Professor M.Hassan.khan, and today we are going to start lecture number 4 of week 4 of the course Human Resource Management. In this chapter we are going to cover the topic with the name of job analysis, job description and job specification. This is the course outline, and these are the topics that we have to cover in this chapter. As you can see, what is job analysis, use of job analysis, how to collect job information, job description, job specification, difference between job description and job specification. Let's move toward the first topic, which is what is job analysis. Let's see what a job analysis is. Job analysis is the process of collecting information about a job, what a person in that job does, how they do it, and what skills or qualification are needed. So let's read it again. What is job analysis? If we talk about the word analysis, means, as you can see, job analysis is a process. What is that? It's a process of collecting information. We are analyzing, we are collecting information about a job, what a person in that job does. We are analyzing what that person in that job does, how they do it. First of all, what the person in that job does, how they do it. First of all, does, do it, and what skills or qualification are needed. So this is the job analysis. We have discussed over 3 to 4 things. First of all, job does, what a person in that job does, what a person do, does, descriptions, how they do it, and what skills or qualification are needed. So this is what the job analysis is. Let's move toward why is job analysis important. Help in hiring the right person. Why? First point. Second point is used to create job description and specification. Important. Why analysis? First point is help in hiring. Second, used to create job description and specification. We will discuss this description and specification. Third is support fair performance appraisals. Why important? First of all, hiring people. Second, create job description and specification. Third is support fair performance appraisals. Fifth is helps plan training and career development. This is why the job analysis is important. Last but not the least, assist in setting pay levels, that what pay level should be given to certain amount of job description or certain amount of designation. So these are the important points for the job analysis. Let's see use of job analysis. Where the use, these are the few points. HR functions, how job analysis help, or you can say that use in recruitment means know what skills experience are needed. Second, selection. Third is training. Fourth, compensation. Fifth, performance appraisals. As you can see, in selection, match candidate with job requirements. Training, identify skill gaps. Compensation, decide fair pay based on job duties. Last but not the least, which is the performance appraisals, set clear goals and evaluation criteria. These are the uses, or you can say that this how a job analysis help in different way. Let's see how to collect job information. Job analysis matter. How? What are the methods? First, let's see observation. You can collect. These are the few common methods. These are the few common methods. First is observation. What observation? Watching employees do the job. Observation, what we are doing. And method, observation, best for physical jobs, example assembly line. Second is interviews. We are analyzing. Method, interview, what we do in interview, ask employees and supervisors about job duties, can be structured or unstructured. Let's see how we can, you can say that to collect in how to collect job information. Third is questionnaires, right? Written forms filled out by employees about their task, example position analysis questionnaire. Let's see. Number fourth point, diaries or logs. Employees record their daily activities. This is how we can collect information to analyze the job method, you can say. Number fifth is online job analysis tools. What are those tools? Softwares and websites like ONET. This is a software used for modern analysis. Okay, these are the, you can say that, 5 collecting information methods. Okay, how to collect job information, job analysis method. Next, you can say job description. This is very important. What the job involves, description. This is the, if you just understand this heading, you can understand each and every point. Let's see. What is job description? A job description explains what a job is, the task, duties and responsibilities involved. Again, job description, the task, duties and responsibilities involved. Example of job description. Let's see. Example of the sales executive. This is example of the sales executive. Like job title, like sales executive or sales manager, or you can say the officer. Department, marketing. Report to, if he's a sales executive, you have to report to sales manager. If a sales manager, he have to report to, you can say that, general manager, or what hierarchy follows in the company. Duties, what are the duties? Visit clients to promote product, prepare daily sales report, meet monthly sales target. So this is the job description. Let's see what is the job specification is. What the person need. In previous slide we have talked about a description. In this slide we are going to talk about a job specification. Most of the people mix these 2 points. Let's see. A job specification explains what kind of person is required. We are specifying what kind of person is required to do the job. Skills to do the job. It includes skills, education, experience and personality traits. Let's see with the help of example of a job description. Like education, BBA or MBA in marketing, these are the specification. Experience, 2 years plus 2 years in sales. Skills, what skills should that person have? Communication, negotiation skill. Traits, energetic, motivated. So these are the job specification. Let's see the difference between the job specification and the job description. Let's see over here. Job description, job specification. Description, the job itself, what a job is. Job specification, the person who will do the job. Next, if you talk about duties, responsibilities, tools, and this is about the job description. Skills, education, experience. If you talk about the recruitment, the job description, recruitment training, it's about selection, screening candidate. So this is the main difference between the job description and the job specification. Let's see. I think it's not full screen. Why this happened? Let's see from here. Ethical use of job analysis. What are the ethical uses? I don't know why this screen is making some. Leave it. This tweet from here. Ethical use of job analysis. What are the ethical uses of job analysis? Don't ask for unnecessary qualification. If you talk about ethics, so uses of job analysis, never ask about unnecessary qualification. Example, age, gender, and etc. use only job related criteria. It's about, this is the most important thing for the HR who are hiring the candidate. Keep job data updated and accurate. Okay, this is for the candidate, this point is for the candidate. Last point, avoid bias during interviews and analysis. Like, bias means you are not hiring on the priority basis, or you like that candidate, so you are hiring, so you should avoid the biasness during the interview. Okay, so this is the last slide you can see over here. Key summary, a summary of key concept what we have learned in this chapter. We have talked about a job analysis, job description, job specification, and data collection. So let's see job analysis: collecting information about a job description, detail of what the job involved. Talking about description, what the job involved, again and again I'm talking about this. Specification, what kind of person is needed for the job. Data collection method, interviews, observation, qualification. And thank you very much, this is all from this chapter. I hope you guys enjoy this chapter and learn something new, and inshallah see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.